So this is the third video of anti-diabetic agents. Here we are going to discuss mechanism of action of biguanides. So till now exact mechanism of action of biguanides is not entirely understood. That being said, that biguanides act by reduction of hepatic glucose production. That is, biguanides reduces the production of glucose in liver. Thus, if there is decrease in glucose production in liver, then blood glucose level will also be lowered. So from this we can say that neoglucogenesis in liver is decreased. So production of new molecule of glucose is decreased in liver, and it is the action of biguanides. Second is reduction of intestinal absorption of glucose. If there will be reduction of absorption of glucose from intestine, so in blood also the concentration of glucose will be low, and increase insulin sensitivity, which enhances peripheral glucose uptake. So if there is insulin sensitivity increased, there will be enhanced peripheral glucose uptake. If there is enhanced peripheral glucose uptake, the blood glucose level will be lowered. Examples of biguanides are metformin which is commonly used, metformin, fenformin and buformin. Side effects of biguanides are nausea, vomiting, diarrhea, loss of appetite, weight loss. So here, in case of biguanides, one of the side effect is weight loss, but in case of sulfonylureas, there was weight gain. So third is biguanides may cause lactic acidosis. Mechanism of action of thiazolidine diones. Thiazolidine diones work primarily by selectively activating nuclear receptor called peroxisome proliferator activated receptor gamma, or PPAR gamma. When activated, this receptor binds to DNA, triggering expression and repression of specific genes encoding proteins that regulate glucose and lipid metabolism as well as insulin signal transduction. This leads to effects such as increased insulin sensitivity in adipose tissue. If there is increased insulin sensitivity in adipose tissue, peripheral glucose uptake will be high. Liver and skeletal muscle, as well as inhibition of hepatic glucose production. So here is also decrease in neoglucogenesis. Examples of thiazolidine diones are pioglitazone, rosiglitazone. Side effects are increased HDL level and may increase LDL. Here is also weight gain and peripheral edema. So thiazolidine diones act by activating nuclear receptor, and this activation leads to triggering the expression and repression of specific genes, that genes which regulate glucose and lipid metabolism, as well as action of